The 1980 population of the United States was approximately 227 million, and that population has been growing continuously at a rate of 0.7% per year. Predict the population N of t in the year 2010 if this growth trend continues. Well, what we're looking at here is the year 1980 corresponded to a population N of t in millions of 227 million. That could be associated in our model of the year 0. What we're looking for then is in the year 2010, what will the population be in millions? That's 30 years after 1980's data point. We're told that the rate of growth is continuous at a rate of 0.7%, or as a decimal, 0.007. Now, a model here for continuous growth is exponential growth, very much like compound interest that's compounded continuously. Our P of t, which I guess we're referring to as N of t in this model, N of t is equal to the initial population, that's going to be the population in the year 1980, times e to the RT, that's 0.007, times t, where t is the number of years that has elapsed. Filling in the values that we know, our function is N of t equals 227. We'll remember that this N of t is in millions, so I'll just leave it as 227, times e to the 0.007 t. Now, we're asked for the value when t is 30, so we need N of 30, which is 227 e to the 0.007 times 30, and we can grab a calculator and compute the value of that. That's e to the 0.21, which is equal to 227 times, if you compute e to the 0.21, you get 1.0234 or so. And multiplying that out gives us an approximation of the population in the year 2010. I get 280.04 or so million people. Now, if you look at the U.S. Census data for the year 2008, turns out you have a population N of, I guess, 28 for the year 2008 is approximately 304 million, according to the U.S. Census Bureau. And so this problem said if this growth trend continues, it turns out that the growth trend was a little bit higher than a 0.0% growth rate per year. But that's not uncommon for data that was extrapolated out into the future. Those predictions are notoriously difficult to get dead on.